I was broke. Now I'm hot rolling, drop the deuce in my cup. Tesla black and now I'm rolling. I'm $1 million nigga, but this car stuck.
5,500 boss niggas getting money. 5,500 boss niggas getting money.
My boys, what's up, Get Money Team, man? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Join the Get Money Team. The Discord is in the description. Today we talking about price action. I hope y'all took notes on the last video, and I hope y'all taking notes on this video, because every single one of these videos, hey, that last video wasn't that long. Every single one of these videos is not going to be that long. It's going to be a whole lot of information packed into a little video, so you need to make sure you taking notes and that you getting every piece of information. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, today we talking about price action, and basically what that is just the movement of a symbol's price over time, you know. So we're gonna talk about what make the price move up and down and how that help us, you know, like as traders, like what really understanding what you're doing as a trader, you know what I'm saying? Let's talk about how we even make money from trading. You know, we know that the candles from last time show us the price going up and down, but what we need that for is to understand that price goes up and down to tell us the value of, you know, whatever it is that we're trading. So it's like reselling. Trading is basically like reselling. If I buy a Rolex today, it's because I'm expecting the value to go up in the future, right? And I'm not gonna sell until the value on that come down, right? So then that's basically the same thing that we're looking at here when we get in on a buy position. Just like when I buy a Rolex, I'm expecting the value to increase. That's called a buy or a long position. And so just like the opposite of the buy position, when I'm expecting the price to go down, when I'm expecting the value to decrease in whatever I'm trading, I'm gonna get in on a sell or a short position. And all that means is I think the candle is gonna go down. All right, so now y'all know why the price is moving up and down. You see it moving up and down because the value is either increasing or decreasing. Now when we get into how our price is moving up and down and how things are gaining value and losing value, what you're gonna have to know is it's investors. So it's a difference between trading and investing in stocks. When you're investing in stocks, it's like, okay, I want to buy a share of Apple. One share of Apple might be like $400 or something like that. I don't know how much it is, but it might be something like that, $400. So let's say one share of Apple is $400 and I buy one share of Apple. So that means, you know, over time, Apple does well and stuff like that. This can gain more value. I have a piece of that company. I've invested into that company. That's not what we're doing. We're trading. But those that are investing is what makes the candles that we're looking at on the chart move up and down. And like I said, one share of Apple might be $400, but ain't no little $400 investment making the candles move up or down. It's millions and millions of dollars making these candles move up and down the way that they do. So it's not really individual people like me and you investing in these companies that's making this do this. It's big banks and institutions investing millions and millions of your dollars that you put in the bank into these stocks and commodities that's making them go up and down. If we're looking at all these bullish candles right here, this is a whole bunch of buyers in the market. Because remember, we associate buy when we think the value is going to increase on something. So banks and institutions is buying into these stocks. Then on the opposite side, when we see all of these red candles and the price is dropping so crazy drastically like this, we know it's a lot of sellers in the market. Whatever stock that they invested in got to the price that they wanted to get their return on investment, and they're selling it now for a higher price, right? So when we see a whole bunch of red candles, it's a lot of sellers in the market. When we see a lot of green candles, it's buyers in the market. Now, all of this is important to me and you because you want to remember when you're trading, you don't want to trade against the banks and the big institutions. They're the ones that's dumping the big money in here. They're dumping the millions of dollars in here that's making the market. They're the market movers. They make the market do what it do every day. So you don't want to trade against them. That's why this information is important for us to know. Because if we can guess what the banks is going to do at a certain point, that's where we need to get in. We need to do exactly what they're doing. Because when we lose money, they make money. So the bottom line that I want y'all to understand today is basically how these candles are moving, how they do, and why the price increase and decrease. Me saying price increasing just mean that whatever we trade in is gaining value. Price decreasing means it's losing value. How does the price increase? It's a whole bunch of buyers in the market. So yeah, man, that was it for today's video. It was a pretty quick video, just understanding what really makes the market move. For the next video, we'll be talking about key levels and stuff like that. Just diving more into, you know, normally when when the price gets around this area, the banks tend to do this. Another thing I want to say, y'all, is like, don't just watch one of these videos and then like be done. Like, really study up on this and stuff like that, because I know I'm probably not even going to cover everything, and there's a whole bunch of YouTubers out there that's covering all of this stuff. So just make sure that you go in and you're getting a good day's worth of information every time you log on to here to learn something. Yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching this video. If you aren't already in the Discord, you can join below, where you can message me directly with questions if you have any. Y'all see my Instagram on the page and stuff like that. I try to post my live trades on Reels, you know, try to keep it under 1 minute, but also if you join the Discord, I have longer live trade breakdowns in there too. Just a longer version of what I put on Instagram. So make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and make sure y'all join the Discord. Appreciate y'all for watching again. Let's get money, man.